Parts of the world. We're here, of course, at the grand opening of the Alriga Cafe and Bake Shop. We got all our wonderful breads ready for you, so you can come in anytime. See you.
Direct anymore. Pastor Albert.
Right, we all stand and be in the presence of our Father in heaven. And let us bow our heads. Lord,
I'd like to call the lady who made the transformation, starting from being an OFW, overworked, financially weak, to another OFW, which is outstanding Filipino winner, an entrepreneur, Miss Ami, Madam Ami. Madam si Madam Peray. Madam Ami.
Lubos talaga ako nagpapasalamat. I'm so happy and thankful, especially Conjen is here for the Conjen. Alam niyo ba si Conjen ay customer po sa Alriga Restaurant?
Regular.
Hindi ko alam na sa pala. Mas minsan may pumili na, sabi ko, 20 na mais? Tinanong ko, 20 na mais talaga. Sabi niya, ay, kay Conjen to. Ay, ano ba?
Support our
Yeah. Okay. Actually, this is the first, iba na siya sa restaurant. But actually, it's part of the Alriga Restaurant. Kasi ang mga Pilipino talaga, after kumain, gusto mag-take out ang kinabukasan pang kape. So, we add in the Alriga Cafe and Bakery. So, ito ang magsusupply ng lahat ng restaurants namin from Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai. And also, meron pa, at the same time, meron kaming walk-in ng mga customers. I just want to share everyone the meaning of bread. Kasi in the Bible, tayo, di ba, Jesus Christ told us to be a bread winner. Ano ibig sabihin mo? Tayo mga Pilipino kasi, parang negative yung ano natin as bread winners. Parang tayo support lang. But in God's eyes, siya ang taong isinan na natin na nanalo sa tinapay. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ay na-blessed financially at hindi lang financially, but you are blessed to be a leader sa lahat ng mga community. At the same time, ikaw ang mag-push ng experience ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Kaya, hinihimok niya tayo maging isang breadwinner. So lahat tayo mga OFW, iisipin natin na ay ako isang breadwinner or siya. Lahat po tayo, i-claim po natin yan. Kasi tayo ay created by God perfectly na mayroon tayo kanya-kanyang purpose. Kung ano man yung job natin ngayon, it might be one of the way para maabot natin yung purpose na yun. Kasi sa akin, before us working in the office, hindi ko din maabot yung ganito. Which is hindi naman talaga siya yung talagang nasa utak ko na maging ganito ako. It's just only that's God's way na siya na lang ang nagbigay sa akin on the way ng mga tao para makabot ko yung purpose na to. It might be this is my purpose here na hindi ko alam back home. Kasi nga, my life is 360 degree. Ano bang, farm lang naman ang nasa amin. Never in my mind na maging negosyante or what. Kasi ang lang ng mga magulang kayo maging isang career woman. Kailangan talaga mag-promote ka sa office, mag-promote ka, yun. Pero nag-iiba yun pa. So, bawat isa sa atin may purpose in life. Kung ano man yung nasa atin ngayon, isipin nyo, it might be that one of the reason para maabot yung purpose. Kasi nga, God never created someone na defective tayo. God created us perfectly kasi may purpose. Like for a cellphone, di naman niya i-create ng sinong inventor yan for the sake of, di ba, for communication. May purpose yan. Tayong tao, may purpose din. Kaya lahat tayo ay breadwinners.
That's what we call a real transformation. Kasi 2 years ago, hindi mo mapagsalita ito eh.
Oh, yeah.
She will never deliver a talk in front of an audience, big or small. Yeah. Pero ngayon, no, starting with the last grand opening that we had, wala na, no? Parang negative.
Dahil kay Erickson.
That's what we call a complete transformation. Now, we're done with one, we'd like to call another VIP, not as a very important person, but very influential personality in the community. Kung sino man nag-inspire ng mga passport dyan, dapat palakpak kayo. Conche Barbara Manilanos. Huwag ka mag-inspire na yung passport mo, lakas na palakpak eh.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. I'd just like to ask everyone to offer a prayer, silent prayer when we get back home. Because all around us, many things are happening, di ba? And maraming mga na-apekto ang mga kababayan tayo. And with what's happening dito sa region na ito. So let's offer a prayer for them. But at the same time, we are here to celebrate. Mukhang aagawan ako ng trabaho ninyo sa amin. Galing niya magsalita eh. Wala na ako idadagdag pa dun eh. Pero I think you can see the full support of the community. So, narito ako, andun si Vice Consul Team, and Laban is represented by our Assistant Labor Assistant, Jean Mendoza, and the team. And then we have, of course, the head of the Filipino Social Club, umbrella organization of Filipino community organizations here, recognized by CDA. And then the influencers, media, everyone. You feel the love because you are also loving the community. You are serving the community, giving them affordable food, which is really essential for us. And your message really resonates. We should be the bread. We should be the bread. We didn't find breadwinner, but we should be the bread. Bread is something that is essential. And wherever we go, we are essentially the organizations we are in. That is the brand of the Filipinos. We are known to be very important in all the organizations that we are in all the companies that we are working for. We are the light, and I congratulate Amiben and of course Khalifa, everyone down to all the last staff. Before you came here with the intention of being an employee, but now you are employing many people. You are feeding the flock. The Bible says, "Please feed my flock," and that's essentially what you are doing, offering now literally bread. Before meals lang, ngayon bread. And you're an inspiration. I think more than anything else, of course, bread is important. We need that in order to survive. But when you inspire, you give hope. For someone who is working there, maybe sweeping the floor, saying, "Oh, she's a Filipina, but she is succeeding. She has one store here, one store there, one store here. The entire street will be full of Alriga businesses. But you are inspiring people. I think that is why we are thankful to you. The Consulate is thankful to you. The community is thankful to you. Because you're offering hope. That we are changing the story of Filipinos in this side of the world. And I think Dubai will not be Dubai without Filipinos. I have said this before, Filipinos, tayo yung glue, tinatawag tayo ng glue, that keeps together the 200 plus nationalities that are here. We have value, and we feel that value because we are being given importance, not just by CBA, but by the entire UAE government. So, you are one good example, you are a shining light, and I hope that you will continue to inspire others so that there will be more Filipino businesses, and at the same time, everyone will strive to reach the level of success that you have reached. But you all started and you always acknowledge God. That's why I'm very thankful. That's a very good example also. So, palakpakan natin sila. All that staff of Alriga Beach.
Thank you, Conchen. You know, when I'm excited hosting, I have the tendency to forget the order of those who will talk. No? So, Mr. Khalifa, join me here. You're supposed to be the second one to speak. You can hide, but you cannot run. Very big.
Thank you everyone. I'm welcome that you're here. So this is our first bakery shop with Amy. Inshallah we'll continue with all the shops. And I love Philippines people. So there's 25% UAE Filipino. Without Filipino UAE, there's no UAE now. Without Filipino, there's now, I think, all shops now they're Filipino, they're caring about it. So thank you everyone. I love Filipino culture. Thank you for the staff and for my partner Amy. Thank you.
I have a special announcement. Good news for the ladies. Yours is single, right?
Yeah.
No.
I'm not going to find the business.
I'm sure you will agree with me that every time we have big events like Bayanihan or Kalayaan, we normally hear speeches from Conchen, Erickson, Eleni, but this time it's totally different. So this is the beauty of it all. So you have to listen to their messages as well. So we're Filipinos, and as what you told, Filipinos are the backbone of UAE. So are you proud to be Filipinos? I'd like to share with you the note from Dr. Landa Hocano. He said, a Filipino is like a mythological bamboo who sways valiantly among the winds of misfortune, only to rise and scat when the tempest is over, to meet again the warmth of the morning sun. Tagalogin natin kasi maganda yung Tagalog daw eh. Ang Pilipino daw ay maihalin tulad sa isang maalamat na puno ng kawayan na makitig na humahapay sa bugso ng kalikasan upang bumangon muli at harapin ang maaliwalas na bukang liwayway. So, are you proud of the Filipinos? So, ngayon, ito, Erickson Reyes.
Ating Honorable Consul General Marford Angeles, Vice Consul, Assistant Deportache, of course, our friend, supporter in the Filipino community, Ma'am Ami, Sir Khalifa, and all who are here, magandang hapon at magandang gabi. Unang-una is tayo nagpapasalamat because of the blessings na nandito. No? And of course, ano yun eh, parang kung anong blessing niya for sure darating yan sa atin. Sabi nga, in all things, kasi sinumulan nila ng memory verse, no? But in the Bible, it says that in all things, we give you thanks, yeah? So praise God and thank God for all the blessings that we receive, you know? Ma'am Ami, sa amin on behalf of the community and the Filipino Social Club, alam niyo po, kayo pag may mga practices, you need food, tatakbo kami kay Ma'am Ami. Wala pa yung bayad, ha? Ang bayad later niya. So what does it mean that this place, this is the home for Filipinos, no? Huwag tayong mahiya. Kung wala tayong pakain, kung tayo tayo. You know, every time, because she's also my close friend now, you know, not now because when we met, we already shared, she shared to me like, ito Erickson, may kinulungan ako, you know, and whatever problem also we relate to the consulate, to the DMW, but you know, she helped a lot, you know, even those night ng mga walang papel, you know, consulate is true. So nakita natin ang puso niya. Kaya sabi ko, this Alriga restaurant, Alriga Bake Shop is the home for Filipinos, no? And we have to be thankful for that. And in return, as Filipinos, tayo community, we should support her, di ba? So we should love our own, you know, consume our own, buy our own, no? So yun po ang ating relationship between them. But alam nyo, magipag-close talaga kay ma'am, ano, kasi even outside the community, even outside the business, alam mo ba, pupunta ako sa kanilang bahay, of down with you naman kami hanggang umaga. Show lahat and everything, no? So that is the bond that we have as community, as Filipino. Isipin natin we are not in the Philippines, you know, but we still have that bond na meron tayo sa Pilipinas na nala natin dito. So I expect as community, we should support them. Yeah? And again, ma'am, thank you very much because sa amin, sa peso, isang tawag lang, ma'am, pagkain na all. Lahat ng mga practice, punta lang kayo ng Alriga, kakain lang sila, lista, no? And ano, malabayanan naman. And again, that is an example of kahit may negosyo siya, hindi niya iniisip yung business niya, but what is priority is she helped the Filipino, no? So, palapakan natin siya. Opportunity that you give to the Filipinos.
Thank you,
for your
Jerry.
trust to her, you know, and most of all, your trust to the Filipinos, you know, because even if we have the skills, but without your trust, but yeah. And lastly, siguro as overseas Filipino workers, I quote in the Bible again, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Kung na-achieve ba niya, sige, makuha din. Tutalo din tayo ng kape, hindi no? Kape ni Erickson. So that's it, congratulations. And
Thank you. Kanina, napakinggan natin yung point of view ng Onche, di ba? Ngayon, let's hear it, iba namang atmosphere, iba namang point of view, Vice Consul na naman. Oh, hindi pwede! Alam mo nung pinakilala sa akin, nung nag-MC ako ba, sabi ko, ang nabisita daw, Vice Consul, bakit wala pa? Kasi, during our time, Conche, no? Pag sabihin mo, Vice Consul, makita mo talaga 50, 45, di ba? Nung nakita ko siya, parang TFC, GMA artist eh. Palagpakan natin, Vice Consul, GMA.
Of course, we're happy sa consulate na we have thriving entrepreneurs here. That's what, yun naman yung ano natin eh, parang dream na beyond, ano no, yung workers na ano natin, hindi na tayo MNOs, we are managing and leading organizations like no? So, kasi yun, mas malaking impact, di ba? Kasi nagbibigay ng trabaho sa other Filipinos din, di ba? Usually mga Filipinos din mga nagtatrabaho dito, di ba? And these Filipinos support this home. So, ayun, I hope everyone, I know medyo nakakatakot nga, di ba? Pag mag-encourage. Kasi it's the risk, di ba? Ikaw na lang bahala sa sarili mo, di ba? Ganun na yun eh, pagka nagnegosyo ka. Pero I hope hindi tayo, kumbaga magiging inspirasyon natin matulad ng Amibet, no? That we can do great things there. We can run a business like this, no? And ayun. Ayun lang, we're happy that we're supporting kami nila Onche, no? Lagi kami kasi we feel na usually parang good job sa ano eh, no? Pagka kita kami, it's a sign of our support ng Philippine government sa ating mga Pilipino dito na they are making a path for themselves. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you. Now, let's hear it from the lady, the inspiration of Philsoft. Pag-muse talaga yung beauty ni Erickson, no? Miss Eleni!
I don't have that kind.
I would like to congratulate Sis Amibet. I remember those days na tayo magkasama pa sa isang building, nagkakatuwa na. Ano ko, parent ba? Ihatid lang namin ang anak namin, pinapasabay ko lang sa anak niya yung anak ko. So, long time ago, nagkakakwentuhan kami, and I really salute you sis. Hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa mo yung keep adding business. Yung sa akin, tatlo pa lang na business, medyo headache na. Yung sa'yo, you keep your self. Kung makikita natin ano yung pagkakaiba ni sis, very simple, pero hindi natin alam kung gaano na siya talaga kayaman, di ba? Being a humble. So with that sis, we really salute you and congratulations. May God bless you more. Thank you for touching the community. To be honest, napakabait niya talaga. I really see kapag may kailangan kami sa Filipino Social Club. She is one of the na mabilis talaga na ma-ask ng support from the Filipino community. So kailangan talaga giving back. She's giving back to us, giving back to her. Let's support her kasi talagang she is one of the genuine person na kailangan natin supportahan sa community. Once again, thank you.
Ibang klase ito kayo message. Sino ba sa inyo ang kukuha ng OEC? Dapat mapalakpak kayo kasi ang sa susunod ay yung pangalawang officer ng migrant workers, si Miss Alaji.
Good evening na po sa inyong lahat, and Ma'am Jen, Board, and of course Vice Consul, and I'm kasama sa MWO. So, and on behalf of our labor attaché po, Papa Jan Leo, and the entire MWO Dubai team, congratulations po for very nice and yung inyo pong expansion of the business. So, siguro ang dami nang nasabi na messages sa inyo, but I think the bread, diba yung bread natin, yung ginagawa ng bread dito, marami siyang ingredients. May mga ingredients. Without the ingredients, the proper proportion, hindi ka makapag-bake ng maganda o masarap. Diba? So, just like Miss Amy here, meron din siyang ingredient as a Filipino entrepreneur. Her perseverance, hard work, and of course, strong faith. Without those ingredients within her, and the support of the Filipino around her, kasama niya, and of course, the partners, she will not be successful as this. And one thing also, makikita ninyo, ang bread, isa sa mga paborito ng Pilipinos. Kahit anong oras, almusal, tanghalian, snacks, basta may bread, okay na sa Pilipino. So it shows that bread binds us, Filipinos, diba? Wherever we are. And not only for us Filipinos, but this time, between our host country and the Filipinos, so nag-expand rin ang ating friendship, and yun din ang nag-bind us together. So yun lang po, and hopefully continues po yung inyong success and good luck sa mga future endeavors mo. Yun lang po, and God bless.
Alakpa, in the name of OEC! Alam niyo ba na pa, pag ako daw ang nag-MC, maraming natrato because I'm full of surprises. So, today, we don't have the equipment -1. But this guy can sing without even -1. I'm talking about Derek Albert. Without a cappella. Palakpakan natin, Derek Albert in the house! Yeah, no. Diba?
We'll try.
Yeah, we'll try. You are next.
Ano, sinama?
Mamaya.
Ang daming singers, so nakakahiya. Okay, we'll try.
Ladies and gentlemen, Derek Albert in the house. Yeah!
Naglalagay ng kolorete sa aking mukha para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Diba?
Yan na. Impressive performance. Pwede na mag-front line sa Sweet Notes. Diba? Next, at short notice, I am powered with the element of surprise. Dumbo!
Para sa OEC! Sila po? Para po kilala niyo po siya? Wala po! Uwi next month!
Tatayo na dyan!
Huwag kang iiyak, wala kay OEC.
If I had to live my life without you near me, days will all so empty. The night would seem so long. With you, see forever so clearly. I've been here before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know that take us where we want to go. Hold me now, hold me now.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you.
The world changed my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love without you.
Yeah!